Hey guys, this is Ali here again. If you recall my last video, we were talking about the system of record versus system of engagement and why low code, no code is more relevant for the system of engagement as opposed to a system of record. Now, here's the third system that I touched upon, which is the system of intelligence. And a system of intelligence basically is things like your chat GPT or other AI machine learning capabilities. That's all system of intelligence. Now, it's a very interesting relationship that you have between a system of record, like an ERP, and a system of engagement like your CRMs or um, partner relationship management, e-commerce, and portals with the system of intelligence. The system of intelligence actually connects with both of these systems. From system of record, it needs all the historic data from your business in order for it to start the learning process. With the system of engagement, it needs more real-time integration to be able to, embed that intelligence capability within the engagement layer. Like your chat GPT is going to let your customers talk to your business and respond back with all sorts of answers based on what it knows from your business as well as from the overall industry. So that's the relationship primarily, right? The system of record, system of intelligence needs data from system of record, and system of engagement, system of intelligence embeds into your system of engagement. There's another use case here that your system of intelligence or machine learning can help you with, which is to be able to predict the next best thing that your business should be doing and the next best experience or intervention that you can create for your customers, for your employees, for your partners, for your ecosystem. So that's the predictive aspect of it, right? So if you can start generating predictive insights with which you can trigger some interventions that can go back either in your system of engagement or like creating a service work order in advance, right? So that you can proact on it as opposed to react on it. And similarly, it can go back to your supply chain systems. It can predict the demand that's going to potentially come from your customers in the coming weeks, or the potential service bandwidth that will be required on certain type of issues so that you can plan ahead of time for those. Similarly, it could be a demand that can be placed on a certain type of product or certain type of service that you provide so that you can serve your customers better. All of that is kind of a predictive aspect of the system of intelligence, how it can help. Now, what's interesting, and again, I'm going to go back to the same issue of why do you need low code, no code when you have a system of record, when you have a system of engagement, you have a system of intelligence? Why do you even need a low code, no code or app automation platform? Now, here's the thing. Like we discussed earlier, the biggest advantage of a low code, no code platform is to empower your business users who have the front seat into those business needs that you are seeing and giving them both the permission as well as the tools to be able to innovate in a very agile fashion, right? So the innovation agility is critical, especially in your system of engagement, because things change so fast with the interaction that you have with all these different types of user groups. Now, the other thing that your low-code, no-code app automation can do while creating these system of engagements and inheriting all the business logic and all the things that you have in your ERP and complying to all your security and policies, using the things like chat GPT and using the machine learning and intelligence, if you can embed that same intelligence into those low-code, no-code applications, you're going to make much smarter applications through these low-code, no-code tools that otherwise would have taken a lot of work, and it would require a lot of different expertise. So that's one part of it. There's another very interesting use case of how you can use system of intelligence to alongside your low-code, no-code or app automation, which is they can actually help, first of all, build these apps, these smarter apps with this intelligence that's lying in this system of intelligence can actually help create smarter apps. And especially for power users and your business analysts who are not as technical as your programmers, it can actually help them automate the process of creating those apps as well. So I hope that makes sense, the relationship between system of record, system of engagement, system of intelligence, and how low-code, no-code app automation sits right in the mix of all of it together to really help you innovate. Hope that makes sense. Take care. Bye bye.